Good morning! Welcome to day 20 of 30-day morning yoga challenge. Let's begin on our backs today. Lay down on your back, keep the knees bent and feet around hip distance apart or wider. Place your hands on your belly and take a couple deep breaths here. Notice your belly rise with inhale and lower down with exhale. Check in with your body, notice how you feel this morning. Take one more big full breath in, slow breath out. And then extend your arms on the mat alongside the body, palms facing down, preparing for bridge. Inhale, lift your hips up. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, lower. Keep moving. With each breath, trying to lift your hips a little higher. Engage the glutes at the top to lift the hips up. One more time, lift your hips and hold, pressing down through your heels, shoulders and hands. One more inhale. Exhale, release your spine down. Straighten your left leg on the mat. Hug your right knee towards your chest. Hold your shin or behind your thigh. Circle your right ankle out a few times in one direction and a few times in opposite direction. Then for half happy baby, take the hold of the outside of your right foot or your right big toe and gently press the knee down towards the armpit. Your left leg can stay straight on the mat or you can bend the knee if that feels better. One more time, gently press your right foot down and release. Extend your right leg on the mat. Hug your left knee towards your chest and circle your ankle out a few times in one direction and another. Then grab your big toe or outside of the foot and gently press the knee down, half happy baby. Notice the stretch around your hips. Maybe it's somewhere on the groin and inner thighs. Maybe also on the front of your right leg. Release your foot, bend both knees and rock yourself up to seated position. Keep your feet flat on the mat for different variation of cat and cow. Hands behind your knees. Inhale, lift your chest up, pull your shoulders back. Exhale, round the back, drop chin to the chest. Inhale to lift and look up. Exhale, round. Keep moving. Come back to neutral spine. Place your hands behind you. Fingers can point forward or slightly out to the sides. Lift the chest up to find the stretch on the front of the shoulders and chest. Stay here if this is enough stretch, or come into reverse tabletop. Lift your hips up, hands are underneath the shoulders, feet underneath your knees. One more breath, try to lift your hips a little higher. And exhale, release your sit bones down. Straighten your right leg, place your left ankle above your right knee and flex your left foot for seated pigeon. Bend your right leg to bring your left shin closer to the chest. Keep your hands behind for support. One more big breath. And release. Straighten your right leg. Place your left foot flat outside of your right thigh, going into twist. Hug your left shin with the opposite hand. With inhale, lengthen the spine. And with exhale, twist to the left. If you want to go deeper into twist, you can always hook your right elbow to the outside of left knee and keep gently pulling your left shoulder back, right shoulder forward. Slowly untwist, come back to center, and then straighten your left leg. Place right ankle above left knee, flex the foot, and then bring the shin towards the chest. Find a nice stretch on the outside of right hip and breathe here. Straighten your left leg, right foot flat on the mat. Hug your right thigh or hook the elbow to the outside of your knee, your choice. And twist to the right. Look back over your right shoulder. One more breath in this twist. And come back to center. For butterfly pose, bring the soles of the feet together, open the knees out, heels as close to the groin as it feels comfortable. Adjust your seat so you can sit up with straight spine. Hold your feet with your hands. Stay upright if this is enough stretch. Or gently bend forward, increasing the stretch. Feel free to add any movement, maybe rock a little side to side. And if you're really flexible, you can even extend your arms forward. Let your chest relax down towards your feet. Or if you're holding your feet, gently press your elbows into your legs to open them out a little more. Slowly lift yourself up and cross your legs for one more breath together. Inhale, reach your arms out and up. Exhale, palms to your heart. Thank you for sharing your practice with me this morning. Wish you a great day and see you tomorrow for day 21, the end of third week of this challenge.